Hi, my name is Juliana, and I'm going to be explaining how to record and upload the audio files to send us so we can make a super cool read aloud video. If you're planning on using a Mac, see the first half of the video. If you're planning on using an iPhone, watch the second. If you're using a PC or an Android, I would suggest downloading a voice recording app and sending it to us via email. First, to search for the Voice Memos app on your MacBook, press Command and the spacebar to bring up a Spotlight search and type in Voice Memos. To record, hit the red button. After you're satisfied with your recording, click the Send button on the top right-hand corner and select Email. Address the email to ask.readtorise@gmail.com, and in the body of the email, tell us your name and what book you read, and then you're all set. If you're using an iPhone, first start by opening your Voice Memos app. Then to record, hit the red button. Once you are satisfied with your recording, press the three dots on the left of your screen and then select Share and then select Email. Address the email to ask.readtorise@gmail.com, and in the body of the email, tell us your name and what book you read. Then you're all set. Thank you.